So today I just wanted to jump on here and talk to you guys a little bit about Miss Muscle Box. This is a box that you subscribe to and is absolutely amazing. It gives you motivation every month, and I mean, they send you surprises basically once a month, and it is just something that I really stand behind because it's hard for me to always be motivated and want to go to the gym. But when I'm receiving something every month that is pushing me to go to the gym or inspiring me or making me feel good about myself, it makes you want to be in the gym more and achieve your goals, and it just makes it that much easier to do so. So I'm going to unveil this box for you guys and let you see a little bit about what it is. And also, there is a men's, so this isn't just for females. And what am I forgetting? Also, it's only I think it's $23 a month, but I will for sure put that in the comments below so you can, read all the details down there and let me know what you guys think. But anyways, let's jump right into this. So first, I noticed that they have a entire workout. This is a 21-day body toning challenge. This is absolutely amazing. This is a workout plan. This is seriously Monday through Friday, or let's see, Monday through Sunday workout plan. It has your leg days, your total body, your arms and abs. I mean, this right here will pay for your, I know this personally because I am a personal trainer and I do know how expensive workout plans can be, and I mean, these aren't cheap. They don't come cheap. And so this right here just is paying for your box as it is. You probably can't see that, there's a reflection, but this gives you pictures, it explains, I mean, it gives you tips. So, I mean, this is absolutely amazing. So there's that. There's also samples. They give you samples of things, which I think is really great because who wants to go out and spend a bunch of money on things that they don't know if they like? So they send you samples of food and like granola bars. I know that they do like bath Epsom salt stuff, and so these are Quest chips, and I've heard that they recently redid their formula and are absolutely amazing. So these I'm really excited to try, as well as these Zing bars. These are double nut brownie and peanut butter chocolate chip. They're super moist, but I've never actually tried them. I see them all the time, and so I'm really excited to try those, and I'll let you guys know those are good as well. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh my gosh. So this is so cute. This is a rose gold, pearl rose gold vacuum bottle. So this is not cheap at all by any means, and I am so excited for this because, I mean, I can drink anything out of this, like coffee and water, or I can take it to the gym with me, hook it right on my bag. I mean, this thing is gorgeous, and I mean, it's heavy duty. You're not going to break it. It's not going to have any problems. It comes with a little straw. So that is awesome. I'm so excited about that. And then every month they send you a piece of apparel, and who doesn't like to look good at the gym? I mean, it makes you, what's the saying? Look good, feel good, play good. So that is absolutely adorable. And I will take a picture in this and post it on here. It's Hyper, HYPR, and this is a Dynamics tee. This is stretchy, and it's the dry fit material. And this peach is like my new favorite thing right now, so this is perfect. So, oh, and then they have like a little rundown of what they sent. I mean, this shirt alone is $35, and I mean, this jug here is $25. So right there, I mean, you're doubling in profit right there. So for something that is going to benefit you in every single way, I definitely recommend this. And like I said, I will put the everything below that has to do with this box, where you order it, how much it costs, and everything like that. So Let me know if you guys like this, and let me know what you guys think of your boxes. See ya!